Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to vote on Instagram with Instagram polls and emoji slider. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Now tap on your profile picture on top left corner to post a story. First, I'll just click a blank picture. Now tap on the sticker option on top of the screen and select questions. Now type in your question. And enter the options. You can resize it and position it as you like. Now tap on the sticker option again and select the emoji slider. Now type in your question. You can select any emoji you like. By tapping on the colored circle at the top of the screen, you can change the background. You can resize it and place it anywhere you like. And to post it, tap on Send To and tap Share. And that's how you can vote on Instagram. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.